and then I'm going to do the blackened seared cauliflower steak I've been trying to do for a damn week. Gotta get started. Got all the ingredients prepped out right here on the table. I am going to teach you how to zest a lemon, because we're going to use that for our dressing in the Orzo pasta salad. Other than that, I'm going to take a food shot, look it down, you can see how I do all this, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're going to start with how to zest a lemon. I have this beautiful zester. There's several ways to do it. You can use a grater, which I don't even know if I have one in the drawer anymore, since I bought this thing. Oh yeah. You can use a grater, microplaner. That'll work well for you. You might get your knuckles on that. I bought this zester off Amazon for $7. It works amazing. You get these sexy curls. It's really cool. So let's start here. We're going to zest one lemon. And you just take it and drag it over like this. And get down all the way to the rind, which is the white part. And as you see, it goes pretty quick. And that is your lemon zest right there. Got these really great curls. Looks like cheese. It's wonderful. That's what your lemon looks like when you're done. We're going to use that to make our dressing with this for a lemon vinaigrette. Garlic and oil, a nice tablespoon of that in there. Some of the oil. Just going to mix it around. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of thyme, maybe a little more, maybe a teaspoon. We've always got time. This is a definite half a teaspoon of oregano. These are dried spices. Like to use fresh, I don't have any right now. These are doing great. Take the lemon juice we just did, squeeze it over your hand like that. That way you catch the seeds. And you can just stick your hand inside, don't be afraid, and get all the juice out, and then toss the rind and the seeds. Same thing with the other half. Just juice of one lemon. Oh, snap. Quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Oh, okay. And we've got this. Let's mix it up really good. And add olive oil, about a quarter cup. Maybe half cup. Couple good pinches of salt. Remember, we're going to be putting this on pasta, so this is going to need salt. Remember, green veggies need salt. Pasta always needs salt. Okay, we've got our ingredients already ready to go. We've got our Orzo pasta right here. Already cooked. It's still a little warm, but that's okay. Mixing bowl. Pour that in. Got our Orzo in our mixing bowl. And I've got some quartered heirloom tomatoes, all different colors. And I've got pasta. Sorry. Got some asparagus that I've just had laying around. So I'm going to tear these, just a rough. Doesn't have to be pretty. Summer salad. Got some red onion, red bell pepper, and cucumber here. Put that in. I'm going to give this a good little mix around here. And see how nice that is. We're gonna spoon over our lemon vinaigrette. See how that looks. Getting a nice lemon in there. Strands of lemon. All right, hear that? Not gonna use all the dressing on this today. See how that's come together nicely? Now I've got about a cup of parsley. Put it there. And this is gonna be a nice summery orzo salad. There we go. I'm just gonna use my fingers to taste. I want to adjust a little bit. A little more lemon zest. Good pinch of black pepper. I'm gonna put about a half a teaspoon of salt as well. That parsley really soaked up the need for salt and pepper. All that green in there. All right, we're gonna let this set, and we're gonna change things up. Got our orzo pasta. Gonna eat that with our cauliflower steak. Gonna clean up our mess here and get the cauliflower prep. Get this out here, and we'll start on that. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, we've got some cauliflower steaks already in a pan. I've got them coated with the personal blackening spices. Started the pan off with a little bit of butter. It's got a medium heat. Don't want it too hot. These are kind of thick. Gonna take about 10 minutes. Got them in a butter. Just gonna let it sit. Don't want more than medium heat going on. Then they'll start smelling that great aroma. I'm gonna put a lid on it so it captures some of the heat. Get it to cook through, and we'll come back and check it in a moment. Great to make for someone that you got a friend that's vegetarian. Maybe you just need to eat a little more veggies. Like I've been eating meat all the 2 weeks straight. I haven't really had any veggies. Kind of craving some produce today. I'll let that char a little more. I've got it up all the way to this little hot top will do. Think we're ready? One tip about this cauliflower, if you're looking to feed more than a person or two, it takes a whole head of cauliflower to make just these two. And you gotta be careful, I almost screwed that up. All right, got that up. Whew. Right. Okay, we're going to have to put this one with it by the stove. Messy on my plate. Now we got our orzo pasta, lemon vinaigrette. You know, looks great. Okay, we've got our black and charred cauliflower steaks, fresh lemony orzo pasta, nice light summer dish. Does take a little bit more time than a 10-minute pasta salad, but it will be worth it, I promise you. Enjoy. All right, guys, that's wrapping up Feed Your Brother. That was some cauliflower steaks, lemon orzo pasta salad, fantastic summer dish. Now remember, like, subscribe, give me some comments if you'd like to learn something new to cook.